For the past few nights now, I've been making this case for the end of the recession. And now, brought in a few raging bulls to help me out. Eddie Ramos was with Van Kampen Investments, portfolio manager. He's going to make a global case for us, the global bull. And Jordan Kimmel is with National Securities. He's a market strategist there, and he's going to look at the U.S. And in for the emerging markets, Monty Guild of Guild Investment Management. Let's go to Monty Guild now in the emerging markets. Monty, we were talking about, I realize Tokyo is an emerging market, but we got Tokyo and Hong Kong indexes just had their best quarter in 15 years. We got the Shanghai index. I think it's up 40 or 50% year to date. Tell us more.
Shanghai's up 50, 60%. India's up about 60%. Japan's having, as you pointed out, Dennis, a very, very good period. The debt was not heavy in this part of the world. They didn't have to unwind it. There's no deleveraging going on. There's liquidity coming as new capital comes to these markets. New public offerings are taking place to create liquidity even more. And as a result, money supply growth and the velocity of money are accelerating demand for products and services.
Right.
And GDP growth will be very strong in all these markets.
Now
in
China
Asia.
comes back, Monty. Isn't that good for the U.S. economy? We buy a lot of stuff from them. We also sell a lot of stuff to them.
Precisely, Dennis, precisely.
Hey, you know what I want to point out here, if I can here? You know, we forget that America is the largest exporter in the world. People say nothing's made here, nothing's done here. And again, this is the media just trying to look for angles. The United States is the single largest exporter in the world, and we shouldn't forget that.
That's right. Now, number one export, I believe, is high tech. And when that demand snaps back, U.S. companies are going to benefit like crazy. I think the number two export is media entertainment content. I mean, it rules the world, right? Doesn't it, Monty?
That is correct. Also, we export a lot of food, heavy machinery, high tech in the industrial sector, apart from the computer and electronic sector.
Right.
So we have a lot of strong exports in the U.S., and of course, the rest of the world is learning how to export to each other and less to the U.S. A weaker U.S. dollar further helps our exports.
Exactly.
Here.
That's what I was going to say, Eddie, is that weak U.S. dollar, though many lamented, and is a point of national pride, it does make our exports cheaper. It makes our export business go up when a rebound comes. Those consumers around the world, they're buying American brands because they're the best in the world. So, all right, my bullish friends, thanks for being here. I needed that shot in the arm. Up next, it's the dog pound. We have a lot to talk about tonight, including Walmart's sudden change of heart on healthcare. What the heck happened there? And a little later, big surprises in Michael Jackson's will. We are back in 2 minutes.